Y'all remember me sharing that video with you, my wife finding those squeaky shoes? Well, we come to visit my mom and dad and they said, no shoes in the house. Well, I guess because they thought I was going to get it dirty, but I was looking forward to not wearing any squeaky shoes, and so that way my wife was not going to know when I was going to come in or come up behind her. What is this?
Paula told me to do it.
Paula told you? Well, now my wife has enlisted my dad. Well, thank God it's Friday. Calvin.